A farm worker, Jaime Alanis, died from injuries sustained during a U.S. immigration raid at a cannabis farm in California after falling 30 feet while hiding. He had worked there for over a decade. His family confirmed he suffered multiple broken bones before passing away in hospital. U.S. authorities arrested about 200 immigrants in coordinated raids on 2 licensed cannabis farms, Glass House Farms in Camarillo and another in Carpinteria, accusing them of being undocumented. The Department of Homeland Security confirmed the operations were part of a broader immigration crackdown. At least 10 immigrant children were rescued during the raids, with DHS stating they were vulnerable to exploitation, forced labor, or human trafficking. The discovery raises major concerns about child safety within unregulated labor environments in California's agriculture industry. Federal agents faced off with approximately 500 protesters during the raids, leading to violent confrontations. 4 U.S. citizens were arrested for assaulting or resisting officers. Law enforcement reported vehicle damage and 1 protester allegedly firing a gun at agents, triggering a $50,000 reward offer. A total of 12 individuals were injured in the clashes between demonstrators and federal agents, according to Ventura County Fire Department. The chaos escalated as concerned families gathered outside the farm to demand information about missing or detained relatives. Glass House Farms, where one of the raids took place, issued a statement clarifying agents held valid warrants. The company denied knowingly employing minors and pledged to support detained workers with legal representation. Some U.S. citizen employees are reportedly still unaccounted for. The United Farm Workers Advocacy Group publicly confirmed Jaime Alanis' death and condemned the enforcement tactics. They emphasized the human toll of aggressive immigration actions, particularly on long-standing agricultural workers like Alanis who lived quietly and supported families abroad. The Trump administration's immigration crackdown continues aggressively, with renewed raids across California. Critics accuse the administration of racial profiling and unconstitutional practices, prompting a legal battle over immigration enforcement's legality and human rights implications. A federal judge in California issued a 10-day injunction halting random immigration arrests in 7 counties, including Los Angeles. The court found that roving patrols violated the 4th and 5th Amendments, ordering ICE to stop racially profiling and to allow legal counsel. Judge Mamie Frimpong's ruling came after advocacy groups sued, arguing that ICE was unlawfully targeting brown-skinned people and U.S. citizens. The court emphasized that all detainees must be treated with constitutional protections, including due process and access to attorneys. Protesters described the raids as militarized and excessive, with immigration agents wearing tactical gear and blocking roads. The show of force resembled military operations rather than labor enforcement, further inflaming public outcry and drawing national media attention. The discovery of exploited children during the raid prompted broader questions about how labor laws are enforced in California's booming cannabis industry, particularly regarding vulnerable undocumented workers and the risk of trafficking within legal yet poorly regulated sector. Glass House Farms grows cannabis, tomatoes, and cucumbers under legal licenses. Its hiring practices are now under scrutiny, though it insists on compliance with labor laws. The farm's employees, including citizens, face uncertainty following the massive immigration crackdown.